Alright, here we go. We got another one for the weekend. Doing a ceramic coating on this little Nissan here. Friend of a friend brought it to me. So he wanted to see what kind of magic I can do on it. So I got all weekend. We're gonna pick it up Sunday. And see what we can do with it. Being a ceramic coating, a little paint correction, and clay bar, polish, a little bit of everything. Throwing everything at it. Everything but the kitchen sink. So, sure there'll be more videos. Doing a before video. So, a little work on the inside. Clean it up a little bit. He travels a lot, it'd be just fine. Right?
Right. That's right.
He can't drive 55, he says. So, but that's where we're at with this one. So stay tuned for more. Catch you guys later.